Here's the truth that cuts through all the noise. If you know how to expose the Baccarat algorithm, the game stops feeling chaotic and starts feeling readable. By looking at these 15 Baccarat hands, how many units can you win? 99.9% of Baccarat players will leave this chaotic shoe. No patterns, no good entry bets, no unit wins. A 1-2 negative progression or martingale betting system could not bail you out here. If you're one of those, this is how bad your method of play is. It sucks. However, my code tracking system already generated plus 28 units after hand number 15. If your method of play could not spot the winning player banker hands, it's obsolete. And casinos will take advantage of that weakness on your Baccarat play. How did I win 28 units in just short 15 hands? By spotting the winning code sequences on column 1. Look at the yellow box. I don't rely on trends, it's just guessing. I rely more on the codes generated by each player banker outcome. Another proof was on hand number 11. While everybody was thinking the player side would break away, I bet banker and won. The code sequence on column 1 told me to bet banker on hand number 11. Look at the green box. After hand number 15, I was up 28 units. Most of you are okay with just 2 to 5 unit wins. I don't. Little did you know that every Baccarat shoe could give you 120 plus unit wins. This is one of the strengths of my code tracking system. It could give you the maximum profit of every shoe you play. Let me prove my point again. Look at the big eye or main trend from hands number 16 to number 28. Look at the green box. How many units can you win on these 13 hands? Again, 99.9% of players will tell there are no patterns, no good entry bets, and no unit wins. Usually these players will leave the table, but my code tracking system said otherwise. Hands number 16 to number 25 presented the opportunity to press my bets. Columns 5, 6, and 7 presented the code sequences where I can press my bet. Look at the orange, green, and blue boxes. I used a strategy called cross-betting to win 128 units on these next hands. Overall, I won 156 units on these 28 hands. Can your current method of play give you wins like this? So the profitable action is simple. Stop hunting patterns, start hunting for codes. If you want the cleanest next step, use a structured code tracking system that turns confusion into rules, and rules into fewer, better bets. Because in Baccarat, the player who can spot the winning code sequences with consistency are the ones making more money. If this opens your eyes to what's possible, click that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Baccarat strategies. The choice is yours. Stay broke with your old Baccarat strategy, or maximize your income with code tracking. Visit www.baccaratblackbook.com and get my digital book, Code Tracking Quick Hacks. Start learning a new method of play to beat Baccarat. Now go take action.